Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you the process of doing the sharp coupling bolts inserting. The first things is you have to ensure the slip is going properly. So you put the slip insert in and then ensure the gap between two flanges should be same. It means this gap from here and the opposite end of the flange also make sure the same. So how you can ensure there is you can fabricate a kind of fitting, something like that, so that you can have a 100% gap between both sides. So please insert. So after you insert this cap, so that you can ensure that is 100% perfect both sides. And then next process is we're going to insert a coupling bolt in. So before you need to ensure the bolts between both sides, which is the bigger end and the smaller end taper. So you can see over here this bolt inside got the groove kind of cutting. This is for the removing the bolts of hydraulic force. It is the expansion pressure can go through inside this hole, so that in near future when you want to remove the bolts, this force, hydraulic force, can come out. You can see over here one fittings which is for to going the hydraulic force over into the bolts. Okay, this is how we are putting a bolt safely. Okay, force, push it in. Okay. Okay, so now we fully pushing in. Push all the way, lock, little bit knock, one small knock. Alright, take the wood, one small knock. No, direct hammer only can ready, wood by the wood. Okay, so before you pumping the bolts, there is a process of elongations, which is you need to keep 10 to 15 mm gap between this opposite flange where you are not putting the jack. So we are inserting the jack over here, and before that we put one what is called a cap type of washers, which we properly fabricate based on the bolts. Okay, so right now we are fix the jack, which is we are going for the elongation force, which it will be around 340 bar based on the maker drawings we had. So different vessels, there will be a different kind of the force based on the makers what they are established as to do so. So for these bolts we are going for 340 bar pressures, so that it will, by the jack force, this part slowly it will go inside that way, so it will be locked between the slip and the bolts. So right now start pumping. Go 340 bar. Okay, go ahead, pump. Give me the measurement. Pumping, so you can see it will start to move. We start from here. So the sound is forcing the bolts in, you can see. Alright, under 340 bars we are elongation, it means already fully locked. So the next process is we're going to lock these bolts in fully, and then we go for pump. So it is called, okay, little bit force and full tight, use the short pipes to tight. Okay, pull up, enough. So after the elongation force, right, to ensure, what you need to do is to make sure the slip is locked. So you need to knock over to these bolts, so that you can ensure it is on loose. Okay, so you need to knock top and bottoms, so that you ensure a little bit harder. It means fully locked already. So after that you need to tighten the bolts, the nuts fully, and then you insert the slip, which is you can tighten similar as other bolts, kind of cylinder heads, all these things we doing by hydraulic force, exactly the same. So after that you need to insert the jack. Okay, go up, jack, bring up. So the safety factor here is you need to carefully handle this jack. Is quite heavy. If you drop it, you may get a finger injuries. So in order to prevent all those things, you need to ensure 100% you hold properly and then fully tight. After that you connect the hydraulic hose. So after you put the hydraulic hose, we will go for the full force by the pumps. So it is the design pressure is 1240, so we are going for higher force. And make sure the safety factor is no one stay line of fire. It means from the hose, which is if unfortunately the hose is like give away or fly off, or the oil leaking, no one shouldn't be in between on this gap where can be the hose fly off. So now we are going for higher force. It will be 1240. Okay, now try to tight. Okay, you see, you can tight the bolts right now here. Okay, so we already done 1240, and then we need to finally lock. Use the pipe, short pipe. Okay, already locked. This is the hydraulic pumps. You can have a different kind of designs pumps. So usually we using in our ears this kind of pump for the high pressure force. So you can see we have a 1240 bar, so already maximum tight. So the next process is we're going to release the pressures and remove everything. It means completely finished. Anyway, thank you so much for staying with me. Bye bye. Take care.